Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
For tonight's video, let's talk about common diseases and disorder of scalp and hair. Scalp and hair disorders are common and can affect people of all ages. They range from mild conditions to more severe ones that can impact a person's appearance, comfort, and confidence. Here are some common scalp and hair diseases and disorders. Number 1. Dandruff. Cause: overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus, excess oil production, or skin sensitivity. Symptoms: flaking of the scalp, itching, and inflammation. Treatment: medicated shampoos containing ingredients like zinc, pyrithione, selenium sulfide, or ketoconazole. Number 2. Alopecia. Hair loss. Types: androgenetic alopecia, male and female pattern baldness. Genetic hair loss that happens in a predictable pattern. Alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder causing patchy hair loss. Telogen effluvium, temporary hair shedding often triggered by stress, illness, or hormonal changes. Symptoms: thinning hair, bald patches. Treatment: medications like minoxidil, finasteride, or procedures like hair transplantation. Number 3. Psoriasis. Cause: an autoimmune disorder causes rapid skin cell turnover. Symptoms: thick, silvery scales, red patches, and itching. Treatment: topical corticosteroids, medicated shampoos, and light therapy. Number 4. Tinea capitis, scalp ringworm. Cause: fungal infection. Symptoms: itchy, scaly, bald patches with a ring-like appearance. Treatment: oral antifungal medications like terbinafine or griseofulvin. Number 5. Folliculitis. Cause: inflammation or infection of hair follicles, often caused by bacteria, yeast, or fungus. Symptoms: red pimple-like bumps around hair follicles, itching, and tenderness. Treatment: topical or oral antibiotic, antifungals, or anti-inflammatory medications. Number 6. Lichen planopilaris. Cause: an autoimmune condition affecting the hair follicles. Symptoms: itching, burning, scarring, and permanent hair loss in affected areas. Treatment: corticosteroids, immune suppressing medications. Trichotillomania. Cause: a psychological disorder characterized by compulsive hair pulling. Symptoms: hair loss and bald patches, often in random areas. Treatment: cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, medications like SSRIs. Scalp acne. Cause: blocked hair follicles or oil glands, bacteria, or overproduction of sebum. Symptoms: pimples, pustules, or cysts on the scalp. Treatment: topical treatments, medicated shampoos, or antibiotics. Number 9. Lupus erythematosus. Cause: an autoimmune disease that can affect skin and scalp. Symptoms: red scaly patches, hair thinning, and sometimes permanent hair loss. Treatment: anti-inflammatory medications, immunosuppressants. Number 10. Head lice. Cause: infestation of the scalp by small insects. Symptoms: intense itching, visible nits on hair shaft. Treatment: over-the-counter or prescription lice treatments such as permethrin or ivermectin. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. Guys, mag-transform sa ako.
Gandara Lepchuk.